swing down the page, retracement back to the 50-61%. Euro definitely bottom of the pile. Swiss all the sparkle. So this is the one I'm waiting for to short. Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. It is Tuesday 11 June 2024. Today I will be trading long Swiss, the US and the pound, and short the euro, the Aussie and the CAD. But let's first have a look at the dollar index after this big white candle running up the page on Friday due to the news. We see a little bit of hesitation from the market, rejecting the highs on the long upper shadow. Right at resistance level there, still testing this rising trend line. So let's see, a lot of bullishness. The medium long term is bullish, my intraday is bullish, just my short term tells me be wary, but one of them is not enough to stop me. So I'll stay bullish on dollar. However, this candle from yesterday makes me a little bit worried about any bullishness on this, but for now that's all I can do. That's the only way I can find direction. So let's see, we are busy making another sort of flag here on this retracement here. You see a flag or a wedge or whatever you want to call it, like a consolidation pattern. So it could be that this was the uptrend, this part here, consolidation, that it keeps going. So I'm going to leave those lines there and see what happens. If we get a break, we're going to be bullish on the dollar. Gold paying the price obviously on that, battling on the daily charts, finding a little bit of support in the round levels at 2300. But bouncing slightly, but not enough to get me to get excited about a bullish move on gold. So for now, I'm just sitting and watching gold. Not much I can do. The 4-hour charts is just all over the place, and so I'll stick to the dailies for now. Bitcoin decided to give us the retracement. That's always a gift. I always love to get this Bitcoin at a discount. So we got some odd entries here, the breakouts there, the breakouts there. Now we're getting a retest. So the retest might just be the thing that I would personally like. I love retest trades. I'm not that keen on breakouts. Breakouts are the thing that I take the smallest positions on. But the retest is a gift. It's Bitcoin at, well, on a special, at discount. So I would love to see a counter reversal here on the daily charts. Maybe a day or two it might happen, but let's see. 68,000, that's definitely a level, but it can come further down to 65,000, which is between the 50 and 61% level. Then I'll be definitely interested in buying some Bitcoin. So a lot of signals coming up on Bitcoin, a lot of potential entries. So don't screw it up, don't do stupid things, just wait patiently for some good setups and then take the trades. Pound Aussie, we got the long there and there last week. Got a first target and, well, still gunning for that final target up there. Stop is at entry, can't lose money. That's a great place to be. So let's see if we can get something that can go up to push us to that second target. But for now, you've banked the first part of the trade, half the trade. So that means you can't lose money when the stop is now at entry. And the New Zealand US, same as yesterday. New Zealand neutral, but dollar long, that's what I'm after. But I need this to go back up to one of those two levels. See the Fibonacci there, the 50 and the 61% levels confirmed by structure. So I'm waiting for the test there and some candle reversal, and then I'll consider some shorts. And the pound Canadian dollar, well, pound definitely the theme to be long in. Pound green, CAD red, and this is what I'm after. So not at those levels. I would still like to see a retracement. I know I'm a little bit off those levels. I highly doubt if that will happen in one day. Anything possible, but if it retraces and tests this level and I get some nicer reversals, I'll then look for some long setups. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. And the US CAD, same as yesterday also. US very strong, CAD very weak. So you can see green zone there against red zone. That's what I'm after. A retracement back to the 61% level will bring us back to this structure here. So if this can drop, get me here, test it, candle reversal, then I'll take some longs. And the Euro Swiss, swing down the page, retracement back to the 50-61%. Euro definitely bottom of the pile. Swiss all the sparkle. So this is the one I'm waiting for to short. But I would not do it from this level. I want to see the retest and then the counter reversal, that the market prove themselves, that the base prove themselves, and then I'll take this short. And then New Zealand, Swiss. New Zealand neutral, but Swiss is the one I want to be long in. So shorting this will give me a long on the Swiss franc. But I need this to test still. Between 50 and 61% level, that structure there, that's the level I've got my eye on. So I need this to test. Once I get a counter reversal there, I'll then consider some shorts. In the Aussie US. Aussie red zone, dollar, green zone. So I want to be short Aussie, long dollar. And by shorting the Aussie US, that's what I get on both. Big strong level here. Look at all the support level coming in here. Broke it like a hot knife through butter. So when it gets there, we're going to see some response. And I would like to look at that response and see, will the base take control yet again of the market for another short down the page? So I'll wait patiently for a retest up at those levels. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risks, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.